Facing the "sorry, it looks like you're not eligible for TikTok" error on iPhone? This often happens because of your age restrictions or account problems. But don't worry, in this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to fix the not eligible for TikTok error on your iPhone. So let's dive in and get started. Open up the Safari browser, then type and search TikTok feedback. Next, tap on the first link called Report a Problem. Then tap on the topic drop-down menu, select General Account Inquiry. After that, tap on the Category drop-down menu. Select Other. Now enter your email address only. Next, describe your problems in the additional details box. Like, Dear TikTok team, whenever I want to create an account on TikTok, it says, "Sorry, looks like you're not eligible for TikTok. Please help me to solve this problem." Then attach a screenshot of your problem. And then check mark both the boxes and finally hit the submit button. After that, TikTok support will review your account and respond to you within 48 hours. That's all for fixing that not eligible for TikTok error on your iPhone. If this video helped, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or ideas for the future videos, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.